Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Godzilla toy. Got this at Walmart. It's not just fun, it's fun. Ages 14 plus, guys. Godzilla Minus One. We're going to unbox this. I've been wanting to get this one for a while, and I finally just went ahead and got it. There was other Godzillas I wanted to get, and I got this one instead here. Check it out, guys. Godzilla Minus One. Box. I got this at Walmart. This is from Super 7. It's not just fun, it's fun. Pretty cool. I just had to have this one here. It says warning, choking hazard, adult collectible, not a toy, ages 14 plus. Let's get a little closer, guys. Godzilla right there. Just looked at least having too much fun in the box. That's what they call it, fun. Godzilla Minus One. And you see right up here, it says on the warning, this is a collectible adult toy, so this ain't a toy, so be careful. It's for 14 plus, guys, for small parts. I liked what they did with the side there. The side's pretty cool, and I like the box, the back in here. For Godzilla being such a bad mood, this one he's pretty happy. I guess he's got done taking on the Japanese army or something in the movie, and he went back home to tell his friends. Guys, let's get this unboxed. I've been dying for this. I got a pair of scissors here. I lost my trusty rusty scissors again, so I got this one. So we have one seal right there. We have one seal right there. So let's go ahead and get it off there. I'll keep the box. Fun. I don't know why they call it fun. I mean, is there different reasons? We'll find out soon, guys. Okay, so we got the seal broke. Okay, pull it out here. I always gonna keep the boxes now. Okay, let's pull them out. Pull that box out. Okay, there's Godzilla. Pretty cool. That's the way it looks like closer up in the plastic, guys. Side view of them in the plastic. Pretty cool. And the back end of Godzilla. Pretty nice. So yeah, so this is Godzilla Minus One. So let's get him out of plastic, guys. I don't think it's going to be too hard. It's really easy to get him out. Okay, so it's just a regular figure. Does it do anything different? No. It's just a little figure. I figure it'll do something. But it doesn't on the bottom here. Let's get closer, guys. You see the Super 7 logo there and the Toho label right here. And you see his spikes here. Let's say you do what Playmates did in like 2 different colors of spikes. His eyes are pretty cool. There you go. His teeth's pretty cool. There's his chest piece and his feet. Pretty nice piece. Here's the front view of him and the side view of him. And the side. See, you figure to do something because it looks like it twists it, but it doesn't. It just a little piece. That's all it does, guys. Hi guys, you guys have one of these? Comment down below. Make sure to like button, that subscribe button, that bell for more notifications. Do it before little Minus One Godzilla comes after you. See you next time. Bye bye.